While a business plan may vary in how it is organized, it can include executive summary. This portion of the plan summarizes your company. It can include an overview of your company's management structure, a description of your product/service, your goals, and a summary of your finances and marketing strategy. Business description and mission statement. This is a brief rundown of your business's history, ownership, and its mission or vision statement. Product or service. Here you can include a breakdown of what your product or service is, its unique features, any patents you may have, as well as any future products you want to develop. Marketing strategy. Your marketing strategy is how you plan to get your product or service in front of customers. This is where you can include your ideas for promotion, online/traditional methods, as well as how you physically plan to sell your product or service, brick and mortar, e-commerce, etc. Competitors analysis. This section describes your competition and how you intend to compete against their current strategies. SWOT. SWOT is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. A SWOT analysis evaluates these specific aspects of your business. Operations overview. An operations overview provides a glimpse into the daily operations of your business, including the management and staffing structure, human resources plan, your physical operational facility, and your production methods, such as quotas or manufacturing details. Financial plan. Your financial plan may include your company's income, profit and loss statements. It can also encompass your capital requirements if you are pitching your ideas to investors. In that case, you may describe the investment amount you require and how you plan to repay this capital in a repayment plan.